Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you all are fine. Dear students, welcome again to Mont 2 class. Students, this is your Paramount the Radiant Way book. Now kids, open book page number 23. Today we will revise book page number 23. Now read with me. No, me, go. Same, I have a pet dog. Same, I have a pet dog. Have you a dog? Have you a dog? No. My pet is a cat. No. My pet is a cat. And has a hen. And has a hen. If you go with father, you will see it. You will see it. Father and has a den. Father and has a hen. Sam has a cat. Sam has a cat. And I have a dog. And I have a dog. Father, will you show? Father, will you show? Sam the hen. Sam the hen. Yes, Sam. Yes, Sam will go with me. Yes, Sam will go with me to see the hen. To see the hen. Now kids, it's your turn. Revise book page number 23. Allah Hafiz.